Hi, and welcome to Todd's Tantalizing Tips. Today we're going to do our first video on food. This is my very own creation. It's called Poblano Green Turkey Chili. Right here are all the ingredients that we have. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like it. Place some comments down there if you would please. And punch that like button once in a while. Okay, so let's get started with this. First, we're going to need 3 pounds of ground turkey. Then we have 2 poblano, 1 medium-sized onion, sweet onion I prefer, 2 Anaheim peppers, 2 teaspoons of ancho chili powder, a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of salt depending on your taste. We have 2 tablespoons of garlic, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We also need 1 full bottle of bone broth, a jar of great northern beans. I like to rinse those just a little. 1 can of collard greens, and I puree those just a little bit because I don't like them chunky. I just want the flavor in there, and some olive oil. Okay, well, let's get started. First thing we need to do is fire roast our poblanos and our ancho chilies. I like to do this over an open flame. So if you have a gas stove, that is wonderful. You just kind of lay those on top. If you don't have a gas stove, sometimes I have used Benzomatic. Basically it's a gas propane tank, squeeze it, you can fry them up. Pretty good. And what this does is actually get the skin off so it's not quite so chewy. So once they get nice and black, we'll put them in a bag for a few minutes and then we'll dice our onion and add that to the pot. Okay, there's what we have. Once we have those burnt on the stove, we want to put them in a bag for a little bit. Then we'll rinse them in water and de-skin them and chop them. Next, we need to get our olive oil going in our onions. Next, we're going to put some olive oil in the pot. And add the onions. While that's going, we're going to rinse and skin these peppers. You want to add those to the onions. Then I like to add the garlic. Now I like to remove the garlic and the onions and the pepper. Then our 3 pounds of ground turkey. Okay, once the meat's about halfway browned, I like to add the ancho chili powder and the cayenne to the turkey as it's browning. And then also about 3/4 of this salt. And I continually try to break it up. So now I'd like to add the bone broth. Next we're going to add the collard greens in. Then we're going to put the peppers and the onion mixture back in. Then add in the northern beans. So now at this point we'd want to cover that and simmer that just for a little bit, or you could take it off the heat and just reheat that later. So there you have it. Poblano Green Turkey Chili from Todd's Tantalizing Tips. Absolutely delicious. I hope you like it, and I hope yours doesn't turn out like this. Thanks for watching. Please comment, leave any questions on the recipe. I'll gladly answer anything you have. Thanks very much for watching.